Hello guys, I hope everybody's doing well. Today's video is going to be about how to use Impact affiliate platform, and basically this is a new account I just signed up for. I only have two affiliate network, I signed up for two affiliate network that just got approved recently, AppSumo and Walmart. If you would, the reason I want to do today's video is for one particular reason. After you sign up for your brands, if you want to search for a particular product within your brand, you would go under product and let that load here. My internet's a little slow. Excuse me. Give that a second here, let it load. And basically it would load up all the brands available for you, and you can come down here and you can search for a particular item. Like say if I want to look for an Apple laptop, MacBook Pro. Let that load here real quick, and it gives you a bunch of options down here. And it gives you a bunch of accessories, memory upgrades, cases, and if you want to look for, I'm not a, what do you call it? I'm not a Mac user, I'm a Windows user. So let's look for something specific. Give me a second here, I'm trying to search off or on my other split screen. Let's just say, let me copy this link over here, or this description, and I'm gonna go back up to the very beginning, and I'm gonna select something specific. Over here is just showing accessories, but if you want to look for an actual MacBook, I typed in Apple MacBook Pro laptop with M2. Let's see what that brings up. Okay, so you got a bunch of options over here. If we look at this first one over here, click on that. If we select this item, for example, you would come down here and it gives you a complete description of what the item is. It has an M2 chip with a 512 hard drive, and if you need more details, you would come down here and click on the link, and it gives you, you would get more details. It's a 3.3 Retina display with Touch ID, 512 SSD, and I'm trying to see how much RAM this thing has in it. It doesn't really matter. The reason I'm doing this video for one particular reason, just to show you how to navigate within Impact platform and how to search for a particular item within the brands that you're, right now if I click on brands, if I click on my brands, excuse me, let that load real quick. See the two brands that I have approved. I just started this account, this is brand new, and the two brands that I have is AppSumo, which is an excellent company, by the way. With this software company, this SaaS company over here, you pay once for the software and you own it for life. So it's not a monthly payment, you just pay one time. So it's really great. And if you look here, you get 100% sale. And this one gives you 1% to 4%. This is just, I chose this just for monetizing, because when you build a website and you put in a bunch of Walmart affiliate links, your page will optimize pretty quick. Anyway, going back to what I was doing, let me close this real quick, and we're going to go back to product one more time just to give you guys an idea. That's what I'm doing this video for, particularly for that reason. if you want to search within your brand. And we're going to go back here. Give me 1 second. Come back here. Copy. And you would just come down here and in the search box, you just type in exactly what you're looking for and it would pull it up. It would come up here in a second. My computer's a little slow, it's time for an upgrade. So here's the MacBook Pro. I just picked one out. It doesn't matter, you can pick out whatever you want. And your affiliate link, which is the most important thing, is down here. You click on Get Link, and your link is right here. Okay, that's your affiliate link. You can shorten it. Click right here, and you can copy it, and you can basically use this link to post it on any platform you want, or maybe on your website. And if you need an HTML code, an embed code, you would just copy this code right here and put it into your website. Whether you're using WordPress or ClickFunnels or whatever your website, whatever you're using to create your website, it doesn't matter. You just copy this embed code and put it in your website. And if you want just a direct link, it's right here. And also they give you an option to share it right on Facebook, right from your right from this Impact platform. You click on this and it would share it to Facebook. You click on that, it would share it to Twitter. And over here, you click on that and it would give you a barcode. So you got your scan QR code here, and you just download it, and you can basically put that code anywhere you want on your website or whatever it is that you're trying to promote the product. Whether it's software, whether it's hardware, it doesn't matter. It's all the same steps. That's all I have today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Share this video so people could benefit from it, just in case they do have the same question and they're looking for an answer. We can help each other out. What else? That's pretty much it, guys. Have a wonderful day. On this channel, we talk about making money. If this is something you're interested in, like, subscribe, and comment. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.